Hi, my name is Louis. Today I'm going to share with you how long time frame can determine which type person you are. Why I say so? You see, many people when they come to investment, they want to be quick, they want to be fast, and they want to have an immediate result. Now, see, put yourself into working, right? If you work one day and you expect after one day you get your return, you get your salary, you are actually a part-time worker. Now, if you expect after 1 month you get your salary, you get your return, you are employee. But if you put yourself to be longer, 1 year only I get my return and I get my salary, you are the businessman. Now, if you put your time even longer, you wait for 3 years to 5 years, then you are a successful investor. Now, into this morale of the time frame, just want to let you know, long-term investment, that is something that we should looking at. It's not going in and going out every day and you expect that is a return to you. If you expect every day there are return coming back to you, you are the part-time investor, right? So into any investment is the same. In regards that is property or stock investment, is need to take time. The longer time that you prepare yourself, that how are you going to define yourself, you are the successful investor. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube, my Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to see you again. Bye.